on TV for some soya. I said, no, you cannot take 3. No, it was saying 5 glasses of soya milk. I said, there's a lot of isoflavonoids here. There's a lot of hormones. I always recommend you can take 1 or 2 pieces of tofu because plant-based diets are protective. Yeah, it's protective. I'm not saying just eat plants, just eat tofu, just eat raw diet. No, but inclusive in our diet as part. So my patient had not got protein. Yeah, sometimes surgically not enough protein because you restrict everything. You cannot swallow, you can't chew, you're in pain. So I said, please take a tofu as a source, or egg for that matter, as a source of protein. So please, I do highlight, do not believe what you read. So worth 1,000, I had a patient bring me a 1,000 ringgit, high protein. And I said, okay, we give it a shot. 1 week you take that. It didn't make a difference because there were no clinical studies. So even if a product has been in the market or medication sometimes, which I'm sorry, there's no long-term studies. We've not done in our population. We're in the midst of doing. But like I say, the cancer is different stages. It's not easy to get everybody in the same time or same weight. Sometimes people don't believe in continuing like Malaysians start mula-mula while really into exercise. After that, you forget. It's like my heart patient. I'm not going to take this. I'm going to exercise and listen to the doctor. And then after let's give it 6 months. Oh God, forget. So it needs to be continuing. When you survive, it needs to continue. It's not only for your family, it's for yourself. Because if you go to the government, not everybody gets the opportunity to be treated. I will tell that to my patient. You're lucky you have the money and insurance. We're educated now to come to forums, but we don't cover everybody. So if you take in somebody's as a patient in the government side and you don't really want to change, that saddens me a lot. Yeah, because I have patients who I give for free. I don't charge. I'm in the private side, but I so kesian. I'm like, they spend a lot when they come to private. They've seen other doctors, the wrong doctors. I don't want to mention anybody, but we can't help. So it's also important to seek the right people. That is when Google helps. Seek the right patient testimonies. Speak to people that has been through. Support groups. Not like, okay, this doctor is good, it's kind of like, no need surgery, boleh urut and everything goes away. So you have to be very careful.
Well, on Facebook, people love recommending supplements. Yeah. Take the blue pill, the green, okay, not that blue pill. But it's kind of like a trend, like all these young urban professionals actually show like in their hands the supplements, the vitamin A, C, E, D, B1, 2, 3 or whatever it is. They're going to take like early in the morning before they go to work. What's your opinion on that?
I did quite a lot of conferences and supplements, to be honest. I personally don't take any. Yeah, I even tell my mother not to take because I even argued with the Grab taxi driver who came sending me just now. He said, he's doctor. My doctor says I need to take this, and this. So I said, look, supplements is no long-term study unless your diet, when we assess, is not enough. But still, it's not proven to be safe if you're undergoing any therapy, chemotherapy, radiation, any therapy, and those are artificially made in a capsule. You don't know if your kidney is functioning well, your liver is functioning well, are you drinking enough